Hi everyone, this is Bliss Homes, your property consultant in Mombasa, Kenya. And today we are in Mtwapa, showcasing Bliss Villas. 4-bedroom villa unit for sale. In this project, the 4-bedroom size, it is 2,500 square feet, going for 13.5 million Kenya shillings. This project, you get to enjoy amenities like swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, you have a supermarket, you have a tropical garden of mango trees, you even have a park, a half-acre park, whereby you can relax with your family and your loved ones. For the 4-bedroom, this first one has been sold out. The first two, the sizes is 2,600 square feet. It is much bigger. You get more space in your backyard and all the units come en suite. So welcome to the tour of this project. Karibu sana. Now let's start the tour of these 4-bedroom villas. Now this is the facade for the 4-bedroom villa. As you can see, the unit come semi-detached. We have one unit on this side and another unit on the right-hand side. There will be a demarcation of a tropical garden in between to separate you and the neighbor. So this is the facade for the 4-bedroom unit, and on the other side, show them, that is the facade for the 3-bedroom unit. So that is the 3-bedroom. Make sure to watch our video for the 3-bedroom unit. Our 3-bedroom unit going for 11.5 for phase 2. We also have one unit remaining for phase 1 for only 10 million Kenya shillings. So let's start the tour of this unit. As you can see, it comes with this big window, and on the top, that is your primary bedroom. Look at that well elongated balcony. Let's start the show. And before you come in, you have this space which you can even do, you can even do your shoe rack over here. Now, karibu sana. Now, welcome to the tour of our 4-bedroom unit. It comes with this solid hard door for your entrance door. Come in. The moment you come in, you have this space. Look at this space. I just love the living room space. It is very spacious. And on the entrance side, you have, the chair that has been placed. That is whereby you tie your shoes, or you have, your console over there. You have that big mirror, You can just look at yourself before you step out. Now, let's look at the lounge space. Now, this is your lounge space. As you can see, it is a very spacious, and 8-seater can fit on here perfectly. And this unit has a natural light flowing from this big window that we have seen from outside. And on this side, you have your TV unit, which is well placed at the center of the unit, just creating this good space for your lounge. And on the ceiling, this ceiling has a gypsum work done on it. So whoever is buying this project from us, he's going to have the gypsum work done on the common areas, and that includes the lounge, the dining, and the kitchen. So you get this gypsum work done for you. And even the choice of tiles that we have used, you have these sparkling, tiles that we have done, just complementing the white theme on the wall. So this is a very nice for 13.5 million. This is a value for money. This is the top quality finishing that you are going to get. Now on this side, this is your dining area. We just did a small staging over it, but mind you, even if you are doing an 8-seater dining table, will fit perfectly. And on this side, you have this window. This is a big window just to allow light to flow into your center of your house, so making this place very well lit and a lot of natural light into your unit. And on this end, you have your kitchen set, or you have your kitchen counter. So the kitchen counter comes with this dark granite countertop. Though if you need a bigger layer, we are going to do a bigger countertop. For our show house, we decided just to do the small size. But if you want the big size, we can do it for you. And one thing about buying this project off plan, we can tailor make it for the way you want it, or specific to the way you want it. Now, on that side, you have your table console. So this table console doesn't come with the house, but you can opt for it if you need to put some extra shelf or extra item for your kitchen. So this can work perfectly well. So moving on to this particular kitchen of ours. So the kitchen comes modern setup. On this side, you have your feature cabinet whereby the fridge fits there, the oven, microwave, and you have all this space as your cabinet storage space. And on the other side, you also have your top and lower cabinets. And on this side, you can have your burner. A 5 burner like this can fit perfectly on this setup. You have your extractor, very nice, complementing this space. And on this end, you also have a window, making your kitchen to be well lit during the day. You don't need to put on your lights. It comes with this double sink. It is stainless sink. It is ideal for you with this very nice tap. And on this side, you have your access to your laundry place. So this is your laundry area. This is whereby you can place your washing machine over here. And on the other side, you have more storage space for you. And also, one thing about this project, we have done some changes. For those who bought this unit, we extended this wall up to the end. And one beautiful thing about doing or buying off plan, we can tailor make your unit to your specification. So that is a beautiful thing about doing an off plan project. If it is work of mortar and stones, we do it, or we can adjust it as per your specification. Now on this side, you have more storage place over here, and you have, this is your common washroom area. You will have your toilet, you will have your sink vanity for the guests. And now we walk to our guest bedroom. And one thing you noticed, the 3-bedroom doesn't have a unit on the lower level, but for this particular unit, you get a guest bedroom. That's what makes it a 4-bedroom, but it is more spacious because the 3-bedroom, 2,000 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2,500 square feet. So let's go in. Now, this is our guest bedroom. I just love the space for our guest bedroom. On this side, you have your wardrobe space and you have your wall. This is just an MDF which has been engraved on the wall for this particular unit, just to break the off-white color, or just to break that monotony of having just a plain wall. That is something that you can incorporate even in your home. And on this side, it comes with this sliding door, giving new space to your balcony. So you have your balcony and on this end, but also in other units. We have clients who say, I don't need this, I just need this room more bigger. And we do a big window at the end. Like I said, off-plan unit, you can tailor make it for your taste. And on this end, it has some items, but this is your washroom for the guest. So we are going upstairs. So for the upstairs, let's go upstairs. Now, I just love the choice of even tiles that they have opted. They have opted for these, light gray tiles, just to break the monotony of the sparkling white tiles. On our first landing, we have this more storage space for you. This is a storage space that you can use it for your items, depending on whatever that you feel doesn't want to fit in your unit. This is what you use. Now come with me. Now we have your room. You have your room number 2 and 3 over this side, and on this particular side you have this washroom to be shared by these 2 bedrooms. Let me tell you, this is just the show house. And on the other unit, or those who bought other units, what we have done, we have created a Jack and Jill, whereby this other unit and the other unit, they are able to have access to this particular washroom. But not to worry, for the 4-bedroom phase 2, all the units, they have their own separate toilet or washroom. So this is something that we have been able to resolve in our phase 2 project. So where do we start? All these rooms are more or less the same. They all have balcony. On our right side. Now this is room number 2. For our room number 2, this is the space for our room number 2. Room number 2, you have your wardrobe at that end, and you have, like, this is your dresser over here, and on this wall you have whatever that I've told you, just this strip lines or stripped MDF done on the wall, just to break out the monotony or to remove the plainness of the wall. It comes with a sliding door. It comes with a balcony, that is. So this is your balcony for this particular unit. It is as spacious. This room number 2 and room number 3, they are more or less the same. You have your balcony. Let's have a look at room number 3 quickly. This is your room number 3. Now this is a room number 3. Room number 3, you get the same space, only a different layout on the wardrobe. This wardrobe, it is on this other side, that is on the entrance or the door side. You have your wardrobe, you have your dress over here, you have your plain wall, and on this side you have, your stripped, MDF wall, and you have these 2 windows just to bring light into this particular unit. And it comes with this balcony, the same way that we have seen for the other unit. So this is your balcony for this particular unit. Now let's check out the primary bedroom. Welcome to the primary bedroom. Your primary bedroom. Look at the space. This is the space for your primary bedroom. Look how spacious it is. I just love the way on this wall you have your 2 window or vertical window, just to bring you, just to have more light into this space. Now this is ideal if you are done the staging. I'm sure, you know, you have your bed space over here the moment you walk in. And on this side, this can be your working station, this can be your dresser, depending on how you opt to choose. So I just like the way this house, it is carved in. So it was carved in such a way, you know, you don't make the house look more or less like a box. So it was carved for the aesthetics. So in this particular unit, you have this space, which you can do as your home office. And on the other side, this is your TV area. That is, if you are opting to do a TV over here, this will work perfectly. Come with me. And on this side, you have your walk-in closet. You have her closet, his closet. Only 2. That's life. Now, on this side, you have your shower area. We will do like a half glass over here. And on this side, that's where your shower will be. You have your sitting toilet, and you have your sink vanity over here. Now, and one beautiful thing about the 4-bedroom, it is the balcony size. Look at this balcony size. It is very spacious. Look at this space. This is the balcony for your 4-bedroom. Imagine. You can even put a bed over here. You can even put, you know, just your outdoor furniture. You can have a mix of different furnitures that you can do set up over here. And on this side, you have your glass panel or glass rail for your balcony. So this is well good. Now let's go upstairs. This unit has a rooftop terrace. So come with me. So this is your solar system. So with this project currently, we are running in a solar system. Imagine this solar system, we are able to power the ongoing work or the construction which is ongoing. So at extra cost, we are going to do installation for your unit, which can power your whole house. Come with me on this open terrace. Now this is your open terrace. Whatever you are seeing here, or look at upstairs, whatever you are seeing, look at this upper level, whatever you are seeing, those are just the solar panel. Apart from even having solar in your house, you have your solar panel, which creates a shade on your rooftop. On the other side, you have your dirty washing area. You have your kitchenette over there. Imagine you hosting your guests. This is very awesome. Look at all of this space. Look at that space. This is the space you can use to host your guests. You know, your guests can enjoy, you know, on top of this rooftop. So this has been the tour of the 4-bedroom unit. Phase 1 sold out, but phase 2, you have 4-bedroom units. You pay 30% deposit, balance within 24 months of the construction period. So for those who are interested, contact Bliss Homes, your property consultant in Mombasa, Kenya. Karibu sana.